Hey guys, welcome back to Love Samara. Imagine stepping into a room and instantly turning heads. Your hair, bouncy and full of life. Your lips, soft, plush, and oh so kissable. Your lashes, long enough to flutter like a K-drama lead. This is your 14-day Wonyoungism Glow-Up challenge, where we unlock the secrets to looking effortlessly elegant, feminine, and expensive. From hair to posture, makeup, and confidence, get ready to transform into the IT girl version of yourself. Like, subscribe, and let's begin. All right, day one starts with the basics. Glass skin. We're all about a natural, radiant glow. Cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle double cleanse. Then, hydrate your skin with a toner, serum, and moisturizer. Layer it up because we're going for that dewy look. And hey, don't forget to drink plenty of water, at least 2 liters a day, with a twist of lemon or even collagen for an extra glow boost. Now, day 2 is all about posture, the secret to looking graceful and poised. You've probably noticed how Wonyoung always looks so effortless, right? It's her posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, and chin up. Just 5 minutes of posture-correcting stretches every day will help you feel more aligned and confident. Next up, on day 3, we're working on those plush lips. Wonyoung's lips always look so full and kissable. Here's how you can get the same look. Start by exfoliating with a lip scrub to remove any dead skin, and then hydrate with a lip mask. For a fuller effect, use a lip liner that's just slightly outside your natural lip line, and top it off with a tinted balm or gloss. Trust me, it's the secret to a flawless pout. Day 4, we're focusing on voluminous hair. Wonyoung's hair is always bouncy and shiny, and now it's your turn. Blow dry your hair with your head flipped upside down to give it that extra lift at the roots. If you have time, pop some Velcro rollers in for a few minutes for even more volume, and use a light serum or oil to keep your hair shiny and smooth. Day 5 is all about long lashes. Wonyoung's lashes always look fluttery and full. Start by curling your lashes in 3 sections: base, middle, and tips. Apply a lengthening mascara and don't forget the lash primer to make them last all day. For that extra drama, tightline your upper waterline. This makes your lashes look even fuller without the need for falsies. On day 6, we're channeling Wonyoung's chic, feminine style. Think soft pastels, flowy skirts, delicate accessories, and that effortlessly stylish vibe. Wear light, airy fabrics and pair them with cute accessories like pearl earrings or dainty rings. Even if you're staying at home, dress like you're stepping out for a casual K-pop photo shoot. It'll instantly boost your confidence. And day 7? Time to master those picture-perfect selfies. Light is key. Find your best angle by slightly tilting your chin down and looking up. Natural lighting is your best friend, and golden hour? It's basically magic for your skin. Don't over-edit. Just a simple, soft smile and a little eye contact will work wonders. All right, week 2 is all about finishing touches. On day 8, it's time to pick a signature fragrance. Something fresh, floral, or fruity. Spray it all over your body after moisturizing, and your scent will linger, giving off that luxurious vibe. The cleaner and fresher you feel, the more confident you'll look. Day 9 is about working on that toned physique. You don't have to be a gym expert to get the K-pop idol figure. Pilates and ballet-inspired workouts are perfect for building long, lean muscles. Aim for 10,000 steps a day and trust me, you'll feel energized and toned in no time. Day 10 is about perfecting that doll-like voice. Wonyoung's soft yet powerful voice makes her presence known. So, take a moment to speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Listen to some idol interviews and pay attention to how they speak, calm and soft, but with so much charm. Day 11 is all about perfecting your hair routine. Remember, the secret to looking like an idol is consistency. Sleep on a silk pillowcase, use dry shampoo for volume, and don't forget to curl the front pieces to add a soft touch to your overall look. Day 12. Let's refine your social media game. Keep your feed clean, aesthetic, and soft. Use pastel colors or minimalist backgrounds, and when posting photos, stick to simple, unfiltered selfies. Let your true beauty shine through. By day 13, you'll have mastered the art of walking into any room like an it girl. Confidence is everything. Walk with your shoulders back, chin up, and smile softly. People will naturally gravitate toward your energy. And finally, day 14, the ultimate glow-up is here. You've followed the steps, and now it's time to step into your own power. Dress in your favorite feminine outfit, spray your signature scent, and let your newfound confidence shine through. You're ready to show the world the Wonyoung-inspired glow-up you've created. And that's it for the 14-day Wonyoungism Glow-Up Challenge. If you've been following along, you're glowing brighter than ever before. Remember, beauty isn't just about looks, it's about feeling confident, poised, and like the best version of yourself. Let me know how your glow-up went in the comments below, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more transformations. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.